Welcome to Komodo Info. Today's topic is throughput and its relation to first-time quality in manufacturing. Throughput in manufacturing refers to the rate at which a manufacturing process produces finished goods. It is typically measured in units per time period, such as jobs per hour or units per day. The goal of many manufacturing operations is to increase throughput, or the rate of production, in order to meet customer demand or improve efficiency. An example of throughput in automotive manufacturing would be the rate at which an assembly line produces finished cars. Let's say an assembly line has the capacity to produce 100 cars per day, and is producing at a rate of 90 cars per day. The throughput for that assembly line would be 90 cars per day. If the assembly line were able to increase its production rate to 95 cars per day, the throughput would increase to 95 cars per day. Throughput and first-time quality are closely related, as higher throughput typically leads to higher first-time quality. First-time quality refers to the percentage of products produced by a manufacturing process that meet the required specifications on the first attempt. When a process has a high throughput, it typically means that the process is running efficiently and producing a high number of products in a short amount of time. This can lead to higher first-time quality, as there is less time for errors to occur and the process is less likely to be impacted by delays or downtime. On the other hand, if a process has a low throughput, it may be an indication that there are issues with the process that are leading to delays or downtime. These issues can lead to lower first-time quality, as there is more time for errors to occur and the process is more likely to be impacted by delays or downtime. Additionally, high throughput also allows for more time and resources to be dedicated to quality control and inspection, improving the chances of higher first-time quality.